In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dotted borders around text in a Microsoft Word document. This simple yet effective technique can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your documents, making them stand out and look more professional. Let's dive into the steps to create this eye-catching effect. First, you'll want to have your Microsoft Word document open and ready to go. Navigate to the file you wish to edit and open it up so that you can see the text you want to apply the dotted border to. Once you've done that, ensure you are on the Home tab, which is located at the top left of your screen. In the Home tab, you're going to need to focus on the Paragraph group. This area contains a variety of options and tools for customizing how your paragraphs look. Now within the Paragraph group, locate the Borders drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to a host of border styling options. Click on it and a list will appear, showcasing different border types you can apply. From this menu, you'll want to select Borders and Shading. This option will open up a dialog box that gives you even more choices for customizing borders. Within the Borders and Shading window, you'll see several settings and options. Make sure that the setting is set to Bang. This will apply a border around the entire block of text you've selected. To achieve the dotted line effect, look to the Style section within this window and choose Dotted Lines. This selection will change the appearance of the border to a dotted style, which is the look we're aiming for. Before you finalize the border, you need to double-check the Preview section in the Borders and Shading window. Here, it's crucial that the upper, left, and right borders are not highlighted. The preview should show only the bottom border as active, ensuring that the dotted line only appears at the bottom. This way, you maintain a clean, uncluttered look with just a touch of decorative flair. After confirming these settings, go ahead and click OK at the bottom of the window. This action will apply the dotted border to your selected text. And that's it. You're done. You've just added a stylish dotted border to your text in a Word document, giving it a more refined and polished look. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. This technique is a quick and easy way to add some visual interest to your documents, whether you're preparing a professional report or simply personalizing your notes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks.